Harriet's house stands as a testament to the delicate balance between heritage and modernity. Nestled within the confines of a modest Launceston allotment, the Georgian cottage, with its sturdy sandstone walls and timeless proportions, served as the foundation for a transformative journey. So, architecture embraced the home's historical character, weaving it seamlessly into a contemporary narrative. Respectful of the original structure, the architects sought to enhance its essence rather than overshadow it. By carefully studying the home's form and orientation, they identified opportunities to introduce a contemporary counterpoint. A bold, arcing roofline emerged, gracefully opening the interior to a meticulously curated garden. This architectural gesture not only introduced a sense of drama, but also established a harmonious dialogue between the old and new. The challenge of the site, characterized by its diminutive size and proximity to neighboring buildings, demanded innovative solutions. Through years of collaboration with the client, the architects distilled their approach to its purest form, simplicity. A focus on creating an intimate and light-filled interior led to the design of a rear extension that blurred the boundaries between indoors and out. Inspired by Sir John Soane's philosophy of quiet enchantment, the space was conceived as a sanctuary, where nature and architecture converge in perfect harmony. To ensure privacy and optimize natural light, the home was oriented towards the north. The outdoor space, a carefully sculpted extension of the interior, embraced the site's natural contours. Indigenous plants, woven into the landscape, created a living tapestry that softened the built environment. The interior, defined by a soaring double-height volume, invited the eye upwards, creating a sense of spaciousness within the modest footprint. Harriet's house is a masterclass in restraint and refinement. By carefully selecting materials and detailing architecture achieved an interior that is both warm and inviting. The interplay of light and shadow, coupled with a judicious use of natural elements, brings the space to life. The result is a home that is not only visually stunning but also deeply connected to its surroundings, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect equilibrium.